Hello guys, today we are going to see the question about best time to sell the stocks. Okay, in this question we would be given an array. We have to find which is the best day to buy the stock and which is the most profitable way to sell it. For example, it will be the second is the best day to buy the stock, and day 5 is to sell it. We will get a profit of 4.5, so we should need to print the profit around. So let's try. Yeah, in which let me take it as low. Okay, it will be like the low price, which will be of I'll just keep it as infinity value. Okay, after that profit is 0. Let me iterate to the array in prices. I'll be creating an temp variable. Will be like I from profit. Okay, then I need to find the profit is equal to, like, I will be max of temp comma profit. After that I need to update the low value which is equal to max of like it will be a low comma I. After that return profit. Okay, wait, I just made a mistake, I think so. We need to subtract the low value and we need to find the min. Sorry, I just meant as max. Just see 5. Okay, let me just yeah, output is coming guys. That's all. Thank you. See you in another video.